Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Home Depot. So let's dive in. All right, to get us started, we see right here when we walk in the door, they had a bunch of their Halloween decorations getting ready to get set out. You can see they're still in the boxes, but they have the prices on there. So if you're interested in Halloween decor, they are starting early here at Home Depot. You can see a bunch of these items right here, a bunch of these details. I will have links for some of these items down below, so if you're interested, you can go ahead and start picking these up. We don't decorate a ton for Halloween, so this is not something I will grab, but you can see all these items here, and I will keep you guys updated on the pricing for those. I do like this small little cooler here. It's a great setup for game day. Again, getting ready for college football is something I'm excited about, and also some cooler weather would be nice as well. Then we see some Ryobi pressure washers here. Could save a little bit on that one there. 2,500 PSI, so pretty solid option there. They also have the mower on sale. So again, grass is still growing great where I live. So still a good time to get one, especially if you're in the need of a new mower. And here we have the 18 volt 20 inch. The other one was the 40 volts, a little bit heavier duty option. Here is, again, the 18 volt option there. So here is another shot at that one. So a little bit different, still very similar as well, but different mower with that one. They also had some of these canopies for sale. You can always check your Home Depot, see what's still available from like summer months and everything like that. But you had this canopy 11 by 11 still on sale for $100. It's crazy. They have some leaf blowers, so you guys know that leaves are starting to fall here already where I live, and they will only get more and more as the fall goes on. But you can see the different blowers and different options and sizes and stuff like that. So really, depending on which one you want, get some pretty good deals right now. You get to save a little bit here, about $30 on this one. And I actually have a Ryobi leaf blower, and it does a great job. Also, moving back into the dorms, here's some like small trash cans and stuff like that. You can see all these for some good prices right there. Style well. They also had some of their Ridgid, like storage toolboxes and stuff like that on sale. You can see some of these, and then even Ryobi as well. Save $10 on some Ryobi storage here. That's the medium box, and they also have the rolling modular toolbox, or the mobile toolbox there. I'll also get to save $10 on that one. More parts right here for Ryobi link system. This is our small little boxes there. Also have some Ridgid options. See this organizer here from Ridgid, $35. This is something brand new I've never seen. We see this new Ridgid subcompact here. This is called the Nuke. Now these weren't on sale. I do have a sale later in the video for a subcompact from Ridgid, but these are just new, and I wanted to show you guys these. I don't know if anyone is in the Ridgid brand. Wanted to see if you guys have tried any of these out, but I do think this is a really cool new option. Hadn't seen a lot of new tools coming out for Ridgid recently, or even I guess a tool line as well. So this is really neat. They're kind of revamping their subcompact options here, a little bit smaller deals, even some of the brushless items as well, and then even just the regular drill driver right there. So they kind of rebranding and redoing a lot of that stuff, which is good. If you're in the Ridgid, you can grab you some of these that are already on sale now. They also have the impact wrench here for $130. Get to save a little bit on that one, and then also the angle grinder as well. Get to save $20 on that one, so good deal. Then inflator, same thing, $20. And the fans are definitely a great thing. It's not on sale, but you can grab that. Trying to stay cool. Had the 4-tool combo kit from Ryobi. That's always pretty good deal, pretty good sale. $200 there. Get some batteries and also drills and a saw and a flashlight, so it's okay. Also the batteries on sale there, $89. Great thing to grab. You also have a couple more deals right here for Ryobi. You get the impact wrench, great thing to grab there. A couple other items. Got a few smaller stuff here. Got the multi-tool set. Also have the multi-tool and the circular saw as well. And the angle grinder cutoff tool, $100. So again, some pretty good deals if you need those right now. They will probably go down a little bit more during like Black Friday and holiday shopping sales, which are a couple months away. But if you're needing one now, go ahead and pick you one up. But if not, you can wait. They did have this fan right here from Ryobi on sale, 85 bucks, really good price right there, especially with it being so warm. Now, a lot of the other fans and AC units and stuff like that were not on sale. Again, with it so warm right now, these are probably selling pretty well, so they're not going to put them on sale, but I will keep you updated on those. DeWalt chainsaw, see right here, for $199. Also the leaf blower, $150, and even the hedge trimmer, 99 bucks. More DeWalt drill or saw here for $130. Reciprocating saw for $130, and then also angle grinder. So pretty good deals on a lot of these right here, and even the corded one there. The Atomic series from DeWalt, buy one select tool. You can see these right here. If you get one of these, the die grinder, check those out. Get a bunch of options right there. You also have the cutoff tool, all those things. You get the free kit. So once you buy the tool, you get the free kit, which is the battery and charger. So you can check those out. Also have the extended ratchet here from Atomic. Pretty good deals on those as well, especially if you need those right now. I know a lot of people are still building a lot of stuff right now and using DeWalt a lot. Great thing to grab and check out there. Compact reciprocating saw, and also another drill driver kit there. Then more tool kits here for DeWalt. Simultaneous charger, great to have. Little oscillating battery there, and then circular saw. Sheet sander, $130 on that one. Jigsaw, $190. Also the brad nailer, 300 bucks there. Framing nailer, and then even the finishing nailer. They also had the pole saw. Again, I love my pole saw. I use it all the time, so it's a great thing. If you're in the DeWalt brand, snag you one of those. And then here's what I was saying. They have a little bit of deal on some of these like subcompact items, so you might want to check those out. Only 20 bucks off. Not a crazy deal, but still, if you're interested. They did have this cool setup here for Husky, the 2-tool drawer. So again, kind of competing with some of the other stuff we've seen, but kind of fun right there. I like the color as well. It's a cool color. Small, kind of fun stuff right there. You can put that on your desk or wherever you want to use it and keep it. Neat idea right there. I think it's fun. They also have some of these mini fridges. These are great, again, for dorm rooms or for your garage or your shop or any kind of thing. You can put some mini fridges out there. 200 bucks on this one. $150 on the shorter option. If you want to put that somewhere. Still have the fridge and the freezer, but a cool option on that one. And then even some decent prices on some of these microwaves. You can check those out. Then we had a couple of items outside. The weed and feed there. Scott's Turf Builder. A few bucks off of that one. And then also another turf builder here. You can save a little bit on those. So if you're going to be doing a lot, you can kind of add that up a little bit there. Then we also have a couple other clearance items here. A little crabgrass control, 33 bucks. Another crabgrass preventer, $23 there. But let me know in the comments what you guys plan on grabbing, and if this video was helpful, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. I will have links down below. You can check it out there, and I'll see you in the next one.